Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
National Food Security Mission (Nfsm), National Mission on Edible Oilseed (Nmeo). What is the objective of the scheme? To expand the area under oilseeds as so to increase production, to increase productivity through use of improved varieties, quality seeds and improved farm implements. What is the type of assistance entitlement? To supply quality seeds, machineries and equipments at 50% subsidy and training to farmers. Who can apply for the benefit of the scheme? Bona fide farmers having cultivable land and engage in agriculture. How to apply for the benefits of the scheme? Bona fide farmers can apply in plain paper to the district agriculture officers of the concerned districts through the Agriculture Development Officer of CNRD Block, Agriculture Circle, Subdivisional Agricultural Officers of the concerned subdivisions. What is the beneficiary selection procedure? Bona fide farmers on first come, first served basis.